In this video, I will show you how to set up the map view in Biamp Workplace. To access the map view, go to Locations, your desired floor. In the list view, you can switch it to Map View, and then switch between monitoring or scheduling. Both instances is inside the same map. Edit the floor. Go down to the plan section. In my case, I already have a floor plan, so I would just select Edit Plan. First thing you need to do is insert a floor plan image in the background, and then you need to drag all your meeting rooms, desks, and devices onto it. In this case, I have already populated the map, but the process is really simple. Drag and drop your devices, rooms, or desks, and align them nicely with the floor plan.